The rain is falling down slowly, cold and steady, it won't console me. Every drop's a memory, sharp and cruel. Oh, but it should have poured on you. I've carried this weight, it's breaking my back. The rage you planted left a crack. The rain is falling down slowly. Oh, it's raining down slowly. But it should have been a flood for you, a tide that dragged your heart into. You gave me sleepless nights. I wake up burning fists so tight. Oh, I wanted to pour on you. The wind cuts deep, but not like your words. Your silence louder than I've ever heard. Now the sky's crying what I can't say, but I wish it washed you away. You built this flood with every sin. Now let it break the walls you're in. The rain is falling down slowly. Oh, it's raining down slowly. But it should have been a flood for you, a surge to bury everything you do. You gave me sleepless nights. I wake up screaming, burning bright. Oh, I wanted to pour on you. I want the rivers to rise and swallow your name, to drown the embers of all your games. I won't forgive, I won't forget. The storm's the only peace I'll get. The rain is falling down slowly. Oh, it's raining down slowly. But it should have been a flood for you, a wave to crash and break you through. You gave me sleepless nights. I wake up ready, fueled by spite. Oh, I wanted to pour on you.